Hello. So I have this really strange problem that I cannot fix with this Bose speaker. So this Bose model number is a 431974. And it's basically just a soundbar. I have it hooked up through an optical cable to a Sharp TV here. Now the problem I have is, so here's the Bose remote. I press any button here. It works fine. But then I press buttons on here, and this also changes it. So like this is an Apple TV remote, I'm hitting down on it, and it is now making it louder and louder on the TV. And it just keeps going up higher and higher until I start going back down with this one. So I gotta go way down. So if I go back to this one, now it repeats it again. Now it'll go way down. And this is across multiple remotes now. So here's a Tivo remote. Same problem. I'll hit this play button over and over again. The volume keeps going down. If I hit the power button here, that turns it off. If I hit the play button here, that turns it on. It basically repeats every single button across the device, and I have no idea to fix it. There's one caveat I noticed when I used this, is this Tivo remote is hooked to the Bose speaker remote with the code. So if I hit up on here, it'll go up fine here, and if I start doing stuff here, it'll keep going up on here. But if I press the down volume button, it stops doing it. Watch. Now I hit the play, and you see it stops flashing. So I have no idea how to fix this. I'm pretty sure there's no firmware upgrade for this at this point. I would love any ideas on how to fix this. And I'm pretty sure it's isolated to the Bose setup because it spans across this remote and this remote. And it's pretty much, it drives me crazy because it turns the volume up, maximum volume every time. Because that's basically the last command you did on this remote. Thanks for watching.